Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. This is Ogcina with me ngihamba no Hotman Dumsani. Besibuke igame ye-Sundowns neMagesi Hotman. What's your take on the game, Hotman?
Sure. Ogcina. It was a nice game, bro. It was a nice game. Looking at it, Sundowns is a character why they are the big team actually in Africa. So coming back from we 1-0 lead, and of which it goal in very early. So they showed the character, they showed why actually they have paying so much salaries and fit. Yeah, so somehow singasho ukuthi ama-Gesi bayazikhawatha because they are choosing ama-games ukuthi bafuna ukuwina, more especially when they are playing against big teams instead of like actually focusing with league as a whole, but they are focusing kumagama. I don't know whether they want to prove themselves or something like that, but I know it was a nice game.
Kule game le notice something. Usually ema-gaming ngithanda ukuthi this player asedonse. And then you were specific about a certain player, Ribeiro, before Akora Nokor. And then you told me something. What can you say on Ribeiro?
Okay, Ribeiro is an influential player, so it's one person that you will rely on him, whether on form or off form, because you want a player that can be able to change the game, maybe with the last 5 seconds or the last 10 minutes or something like that. So you have to rely on that player, more especially with Tambazwane out on the pitch. Then we need players like Abu Ribeiro.
A beautiful goal, by the way, from Ribeiro, and not taking anything away from Makubo, the striker as a Magesi. In Magesi, I believe they are 90 minutes, but they played in a tempo a Sundowns. They allowed Sundowns to play more than them. And I've been worried to Magesi. Why is it sitting on the back and not going towards the Sundown? You said something about going towards the Sundowns.
No, you're playing against Sundowns, but even if it was Kaizer Chiefs or even if it was Manchester United, I will expect the same thing. So teams like Sundowns, you need to absorb a lot of pressure when you're playing against them, and then you rely on batting a counter. More especially if it was very weak because Tatama wing back or midfielder. So if uzorela we count already mangabe ba-attacker, once wathatha ibhola walifaka kule space lesi ukuthi ama-wing back amuvile kuso, and then that's when you can be able to get a goal.
And then let's talk about the goal likaShalulile elingavumiwanga. What's your take on the goal, and what's your take on officials wethu?
Officials way to attach a lot of bread kubantu. So a coach will be losing his Spanish due to that thing. So officiating, I don't know. I feel like they need to do something. These people, as much as abantu banama era, but no, certain things they're not acceptable. They're not acceptable because that was a clear goal, and I don't understand why you guys may not say you offside.
We tried to look at it, but it was a clear goal.
It was a clear
goal. Let's talk about goal a sub coming from the bench. It's Tariq Matthews. Yes, I think he's very young, that boy. He's very young. What do you think the future of Sundowns?
Future of Sundowns. Okay, if you show Sundowns, it's money. So anyway, boy, we are overseas. I've just checked. Ukulele in Netherlands and then wadlalele Sweden kakhulu. So I thought maybe wadlala around. No, so ubuya ngalena. So uzobadlalela direct football na, which is something that I'm not a fan of. But your future of Sundowns is bright due to Imali because they can get any player that they want.
And then let's talk about Magesi. Do you have a future in Magesi this season?
No. Magesi is coming back, bro.
Yeah.
And I get pinned if they're not coming back.
At all. Like it's the first and last season for them.
Yeah, it's the first and last.
What do you think is the problem about Amatima Fanana Magesi coming into such a big stage and then being someone who's gonna like go back? It's just 11 games.
I feel like most teams are not ready for the league. They are only here to showcase, more especially I'm a player that they want to sell themselves. That's why they will play like they will give you a marvelous game against team amakhulu because they wanna be bought bahambe baye kulawo team lawo. So most teams they are not ready for a league. They are only here to cash out. Bathengisa ama player bayenzeni. So that's why bahamba bangabuyi. So yeah, I think that's my point of view.
We had a beautiful game from Sundowns, and congratulations to Sundowns. They still the top of the league, on the top of the league, and then Magesi is still on the lowest of the league. From us, Timeline Radio Sports, this was a good game, and thank you, Mr. for Shaili Chika.
Thank you, pa. Yeah, nami ish ngiyabonga bafethu kuba iphatha. No, hayi ngiyabonga.
Thank you. Sure.